watch the lightning crack over cane fields and laugh and think this is Australia. The block is awkward, it faces west, long diagonals sloping too, and in the distance, through the heat haze, convoys of silence and cattle graze. A certain texture, a certain beat, brings forth the nighttime heat. You cow out on the patio, we'd sit, and the humidity we'd breathe. We'd watch the lightning crack over cane fields, slap and think that this is Australia. July is wet on familiar sheets, in brick veneer on finance beds. In a room, silent and hard, it makes that certain texture, that certain smell. Brings forth the heavy days, brings forth the nighttime sweat. You cow out on the patio, we'd sit, and the humidity we'd breathe. We'd watch the lightning crack over cane fields and laugh and think this is Australia.